guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me on today's video. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a full face with all products that were under $10. So I wanted to try out the brand Essence. It's literally so cheap. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be starting with today is the Camouflaged Matte Concealer. This was $4.99. So like I said, literally everything is under $10. They were out of the very first light shade, light ivory, but this was like the second color. So yeah, we'll see. I'm going to start to put it under my eyes here. I do have some eye bags, so we'll see how that covers. But yeah, this is probably going to be more of like a match to my skin, not for like a brightening effect. This is the little applicator here. It's just like a nice little spongy applicator. I like these. So I am using a wet sponge for this. Just see here. I want to add a little bit more. Usually I put it on top of my eyes too. This does have a fragrance smell to it. I think it does smell good, but there is a smell to it. It does blend out nicely. There's a close-up there. Yeah, it looks like it does do the job there. We're gonna go on with the foundation. This foundation cost me $8.99. This is the second shade up. The first one was called Cool Porcelain. I think it was gonna be a little bit too pale for me, so I got the second shade. This is Neutral Ivory. This is supposed to be a natural finish. I just put a few drops, just like my normal foundation, and I'm just gonna start to blend this out. And I do have my regular sponge that I always use, and it is wet. So what I'm noticing, yes, it is a very light foundation. Like there's not a whole lot of coverage, but I mean, that's what it said, a natural finish. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more and see if it builds up because I do have redness in my skin. Okay, I'm not sure. I feel like the more I'm patting now, it's almost coming off in a way. I don't know if you can see it. It's just not looking the best. It's making me look dry in my dry areas. Normally that doesn't happen that much with me in foundation. So far I do not like the foundation. I really wanted to like it, but I'm gonna set it and let's just continue with my regular Laura Mercier setting powder and let's see if this can help me. The next thing I'm gonna go into is the blush. This is in Believing. It says it's a silky smooth powder blush to awaken your complexion. Buildable, texture that lasts all day. The blush was $3.99. And in case anyone's wondering, there's no smell to this at all. There's 3 different blushes. There's like this mauve-y one, more of a reddish one, and then a peachy color. I was gonna get the peach, then I thought I do peach all the time, so let's try this. So just gonna have a big fluffy brush here and we'll get in and use that. Oh, so already like just after a few little, look how much product it picked up on the brush there. I really like that. I have the eyebrows. This is the Micro Precise eyebrow pencil. It claims to be waterproof. So a lot of long lasting and a lot of waterproof claims. I feel like I need to jump in the shower or something after this and see if it holds up. But the concealer said it was waterproof and so does the eyebrow pencil here. And this is in the shade light brown. This was $3.99. And then as well, I have tried this before and I really like it. It's the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This is $3.99. I got this one in Soft Brownie Brow. Okay, so look at how precise this tip is. I love when there's a very small pencil for brows because I can make like the perfect hairs. That worked really nice. I really like a micro pencil. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in. But you don't have to sharpen this. You can just keep pushing it up and down. It is very creamy. Like I feel like I'm going through a lot of product at once. Maybe I'm pressing too hard. You can just pull up your brows any way you want. They're coating them nicely. I like the formula. Okay, brows are done. So the next thing we're gonna go into is the eyeshadow. So these are so cute. They had a few different palettes. This one I wanted to get because Valentine's Day is coming up. This is the Daily Dose of Love, and I believe this is a newer product that's out. This one was $8.99, which includes 9 highly pigmented colors ranging from matte to metallic. And it's kind of cute. There's no mirror on the cover or anything, but I think that's okay. And it says this is 100% recycled paper. So that's pretty cool too. Okay, so let's do a few swatches here. So I'm gonna get some of the metallics, put them in my hand, and then I'll get some of the matte shades as well, just so we can see. So I'm gonna use this for a highlighter. Your color there, I really like that. So yeah, I'm gonna use that for a highlighter on my face. Next I'm gonna go into this one here. So the formula is very nice. It's just very soft. Oh, okay. There's the next color. So these are swatching like really nice. You guys, that is so nice for a highlighter. Let's try it on the cheek. Okay, that is really nice. I really like that. Go into this reddish color here. It's very pigmented. Wow, okay, so that's going on really nice. There's no fallout on the face, so that is a plus. And the color looks fine. There's no weird like splotching or breaking, anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a fluffier brush. I'm gonna start to blend this out. I just applied a little bit of product onto the brush here, and I'm just buffing it out. Working very well. And literally no fallout on my cheeks or face at all. I'm gonna go right into this shade here, and we're just gonna pop it right in the middle of our eye. Just super simple. Wow. That's really pretty as well. So far, I'm really liking this palette. Any type of like metallic color, like just from any brand, it goes on better with your finger. Okay, so I really like that. I think this is coming together very nicely. Next up, we're gonna go in with eyeliner. So this eyeliner, this is the super fine eyeliner pen, $3.50 for this. So this is a little bit of a different pen. I don't normally use them. It's like a sponge tip. I need a moment of silence for the eyeliner. So that did go on nice. I just want to do a small wing here, so I'm going to go ahead and do it on the other side, and then I'll come back. Okay, so that's the eyeliner. I like it. It went on smooth. I did find it, like when I have this out, because I had this out to do this eye and this eye, it almost got like a little bit dry, so I'm putting it back in here. I'm going to give it a shake, and then I'm going to go ahead and do it again. Yeah, I feel like if you have it out for a long time, it kind of gets dry on you. Next up, we're gonna go on to the lashes. This is so cute. I love this so much. So I have used Essence mascara before in the past. I'm excited to try this. This is a newer mascara. I think the packaging is super cute. This is called the Lash Princess Volume Mascara. And this type of brush I really like. This mascara costs $4.99. So already I can tell it's giving me a really nice lift, and I didn't even curl my eyelashes. It's going on very smooth. It's not clumping up my lashes. So we're gonna go on to the lips. I'm excited for this portion. I got a lip liner, and then I also got a liquid lipstick. This is interesting. So there wasn't a sticker on here, but on their site on Instagram, there's like a little white sticker that says it's mask proof. So I'm wondering if this is gonna be like comparable to the NYX viral liquid lipsticks that are going around. It says it's an 8-hour matte stay. It says it's highly pigmented matte lipstick, quick drying, non-transfer, and long lasting. We'll definitely try that out. The lipstick was $6, $5.99, and then the lip liner was $3.99. Like a creamy texture here. So this is the tip of it. And let's apply this on. This is the applicator for this one here. I think it's a little bit too large. I don't personally like that, but I think it will still go on fine. Minutes, let it dry, and then we'll see if it does any type of transfer. It's definitely getting dry on my lips here. There's like a little bit, so I wouldn't say it's full transfer proof. But yeah, that is the final look, and now I will kind of give my review on the products, and I'll let you know what I think was definitely worth it and what I think was not worth it. Go back and review the products. So the very first thing was concealer. The concealer I have no issues with. I have used better concealers, but for the price point, I think it's really good. It does say it can cover tattoos. I wish I had like a tattoo or something. You know what? Let me try this. So I'm gonna cover this up here. This is from earlier, so it should be set. Yeah, I'm gonna say that probably does not cover tattoos if it's not covering that eyeliner at all. But besides that, I did really like it. It did blend out easily. It didn't dry down too fast to the foundation. So I was really hoping this was gonna work. It does feel weightless on my face. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I don't know, it was kind of just weird in like my T-zone area when I was blending it out. So this one I would be like on the fence about. Next product is the eyebrow micro brow pencil. Would I rebuy this? Yes. This was nice. I like that it was very small so I can get the precise hairs. The formula was very soft. I just felt like it was kind of going through the formula fast. The brow gel. This, yes, would definitely recommend this, and I would definitely buy it again. So next up we have the blush. So this one I really like. It blended out very just like soft and pretty, but you could keep building it. The next product was the eyeshadow palette. This I really like. This definitely, if you're in the drugstore and you'd want to get it, I would say go ahead and do that. The colors, all the colors, they swatch nicely. They blended out well on my eyes. Like there was no issues at all. It performed very well. It was very pigmented and there was no fallout at all. So I was very impressed with this. Next up we have the eyeliner and the mascara. The eyeliner, no, I wouldn't purchase this again. I personally don't like the sponge tip. The mascara, yes, I would definitely repurchase this. This worked really well. I really like the foot of the mascara, the end of it. Did what it said it was gonna do. It gave me volume. I didn't even have to curl. Nothing was smudging anywhere. And yeah, nothing was clumpy. So definitely I would recommend that. Item is the lipstick and the lip liner. These I really like. I like the color. It was like the perfect nude. The lip liner went on really, really smooth and precise. The liner took longer to dry than the lipstick. So it doesn't really say how long, you know, it's supposed to dry, but definitely if you put it on right away and you only waited a minute and you put your mask on, you're gonna get some transfer. I feel like I had to wait a little bit longer for it to dry. It does dry down, just like it said. You can kind of see it's like in the cracks. So if you don't like that look, then you're not gonna like this. Overall, my thoughts on Essence, I really like their products. Most of their products I really enjoyed. And that is my face for using products for under $10. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like always, if you wanna help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget you can like, leave a comment. I'm always checking the comments. You can subscribe, hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos, which I'm trying to do more often. I need to set a goal because I feel like the time is just going by so fast. I feel like I am trying to get one up every week, but then I just looked and now it's already been 2 weeks. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys want to see. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.